Hold on. What I'm about to tell you is going to completely change how you think about mirrorless cameras. The Canon EOS R9 is making serious noise with leaked specs that I'm not exaggerating when I say they're absolutely next level. We're talking about a camera so fast, so powerful, and packed with cutting-edge tech, it's already shaking up the photography world. When I first saw the leaks, I had to double-check, because these specs are that wild. This isn't just another Canon release. It's Canon stepping into the ring with serious firepower, rewriting the rules on speed, autofocus, and image quality for pros and enthusiasts alike. In this video, I'm breaking down every juicy detail we've seen so far, from insane burst rates to advanced autofocus systems, plus when we might actually get our hands on this beast. And hey, if you live for the latest camera leaks, deep gear dives, and all things phototech, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell, because you definitely don't want to miss what's coming next. The Canon EOS R9 blends the familiar ergonomics of Canon's mid-range cameras with refinements that make it feel more premium than its price tag suggests. Compact yet purposeful, the body is crafted from a lightweight magnesium alloy composite, giving it both durability and portability for travel, street shooting, or long event days. Canon has introduced full weather sealing for the R9, a welcome addition that makes it dependable in unpredictable conditions without requiring accessories. The grip is deeper than its predecessor, offering excellent comfort and stability, even with larger RF lenses attached. Control dials are strategically placed. The top plate features dedicated dials for mode and exposure adjustments, while the rear command wheel and joystick offer intuitive navigation. The vari-angle LCD touchscreen remains a highlight of Canon's design, now boasting higher resolution and improved touch responsiveness for quick focus point selection and menu navigation. The 2.36 million OLED electronic viewfinder has also seen improvements, with a faster refresh rate for smoother subject tracking. Buttons and dials have a satisfying resistance, reflecting Canon's reputation for tactile precision. Despite its compact size, the R9 never feels cramped. Instead, it strikes a perfect balance between portability and professional handling. For creators who demand a reliable tool on the go, the EOS R9's design embodies Canon's philosophy of refinement over reinvention. At the core of the Canon EOS R9 lies a newly engineered 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor paired seamlessly with Canon's Digi-C X processor. This powerful combination delivers an impressive balance of detail, speed, and image quality, making the R9 one of the most advanced APS-C cameras Canon has ever produced. The sensor adopts a refined, back-illuminated design, which significantly enhances light gathering efficiency, resulting in cleaner files and improved low-light performance. This ensures photographers retain Canon's signature color science and tonal rendering, while also gaining the flexibility of strong highlight and shadow recovery for post-processing. Dynamic range is particularly noteworthy, providing excellent flexibility for both RAW shooters and JPEG users. High ISO handling stands out as one of the camera's strongest features. Images remain clean and film-like up to ISO 6400, with ISO 12800 still delivering usable results for challenging conditions. This makes the R9 a highly versatile tool for event photographers, travel shooters, and creators who often find themselves working in mixed or unpredictable lighting environments. The camera's sensor also benefits from a fast readout speed, effectively reducing rolling shutter when shooting with the electronic shutter, a critical advantage for action, sports, and video work. Combined with Canon's rapidly expanding RF S-lens lineup, as well as compatibility with RF full-frame lenses, the R9 offers a flexible and future-proof ecosystem. Detail rendering is superb, whether capturing expansive landscapes, intimate portraits, or fast-moving subjects. Overall, Canon has designed the EOS R9's sensor to push APS-C performance forward, offering photographers a blend of resolution, speed, and low-light capability rarely seen in this category. For shooters seeking a compact yet powerful system, the R9 delivers professional-level results without compromise. Canon's renowned color science has long been a major reason photographers gravitate toward the brand, and the EOS R9 proudly carries that tradition forward. Right out of the camera, JPEGs impress with pleasing skin tones, accurate hues, and a cinematic sense of contrast that feels both natural and refined. The warmth and fidelity Canon is known for are immediately apparent, making the R9 a reliable choice for those who value beautiful color without heavy post-processing. The camera includes a variety of picture styles to suit different shooting needs. Professionals will appreciate the neutral and faithful profiles for consistent, accurate reproduction in controlled workflows, while creators in travel, lifestyle, or social media can lean on more vibrant and punchy options to achieve eye-catching results straight away. Canon has also refined its HDR PQ and Canon Log 3 support, expanding dynamic range and offering more flexibility for hybrid shooters who toggle between stills and video. Skin tone rendering, a Canon hallmark, remains excellent across varied lighting conditions, maintaining a natural look without veering into oversaturation or pallor. Meanwhile, key color ranges such as blues, greens, and reds retain depth and richness while staying true to life, helping landscapes, portraits, and street scenes all pop in a balanced way. For photographers who enjoy creative control in camera, the R9 offers fine-tuned adjustments for saturation, contrast, and sharpness. This level of customization allows users to shape their images to taste before they even reach the editing stage. Ultimately, the EOS R9 isn't just a capable imaging device, it's an artistic partner. With its combination of technical precision and organic warmth, it delivers files that often need little more than a press of the shutter to shine. The Canon EOS R9 stands out as a camera that brings professional-level autofocus and performance to a more accessible body. Borrowing technology directly from Canon's higher-end R3 and R6 Mark II, it incorporates the powerful dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system with deep learning AI subject recognition. This allows the R9 to intelligently track people, animals, vehicles, and even aircraft with remarkable precision, ensuring photographers and videographers rarely miss a moment. Face and eye detection have been further refined, offering sticky subject tracking that confidently locks onto eyes and faces, even in fast-moving or low-light scenarios. With nearly 100% autofocus coverage across the frame, creators have the flexibility to compose off-center shots without worrying about losing focus accuracy. Speed is another defining feature of the EOS R9. The mechanical shutter delivers up to 15 frames per second, while the electronic shutter pushes an impressive 30 frames per second, placing it firmly in the sports and wildlife shooting category. Rolling shutter artifacts are well controlled, thanks to a faster sensor readout, which makes the electronic shutter a highly practical option rather than just a novelty. Canon's hallmark usability also shines through. The menus remain consistent and intuitive, striking a balance between being beginner-friendly and highly customizable for advanced users. The responsive vari-angle touchscreen is among the best in the industry, and physical controls like the joystick and customizable buttons ensure quick adjustments in demanding situations. Practicality extends to endurance as well. The R9 achieves around 500 shots per charge, which is solid for a compact mirrorless, and USB-C charging adds convenience for creators on the go. Altogether, the Canon EOS R9 delivers speed, intelligence, and usability in a portable package, making it one of the most compelling hybrid cameras in its class. The Canon EOS R9 may be primarily designed as a stills powerhouse, but Canon has ensured it delivers impressively on the video front as well. At its core, the R9 records 6K oversampled 4K video at up to 60p, resulting in beautifully crisp footage with excellent detail and minimal rolling shutter. Videographers will also appreciate the ability to capture 10-bit 422 internally with Canon Log 3, which provides tremendous flexibility for grading and achieving cinematic results. To further refine video performance, the R9 includes focus breathing correction and advanced digital stabilization, which, when paired with lens-based IS on compatible RF lenses, makes handheld shooting smoother and more professional. Autofocus transitions seamlessly from stills to video, with subject tracking that remains fast, accurate, and dependable even in challenging conditions. For hybrid shooters, this balance of compact design and advanced video capabilities positions the R9 as a versatile tool for content creation. Connectivity is another area where Canon has pushed forward with the R9. Built-in Wi-Fi and USB-C open up LAN-style functionality, enabling tethered shooting, wireless file transfers, and smooth integration into professional workflows. Photographers and filmmakers can instantly move their files to servers, editors, or directly onto social platforms without delay. The inclusion of live streaming support makes the camera especially appealing for content creators, educators, and journalists who need a reliable, all-in-one solution for fast-paced environments. In short, the Canon EOS R9 is more than just a stills-focused camera. It represents a modern hybrid solution, blending professional-grade image quality, advanced video recording, and connected workflow features in a compact body. For creators who demand both performance and flexibility, the R9 stands out as a powerful and future-ready option. The Canon EOS R9 proves that APS-C cameras are far from obsolete. By combining cutting-edge autofocus, a powerful new sensor, Canon's legendary color science, and hybrid LAN features, it redefines what a compact mirrorless can be. Whether you're a dedicated still shooter, a hybrid creator, or a professional looking for a lightweight second body, the EOS R9 deserves serious consideration as one of Canon's most important cameras of 2025.